Wakanda Panning Project. Hello everyone. It is now 6 months since we started the Wakanda Panning Project. Thanks to Julia from Accessorize Your Life. Check her out. She have a channel. She came up with the idea in ways for us to use our products. And what do you think? We've been doing very, very well. I am loving it. And 6 months is up. We started January 26, 2023. And our 6 months is up on June 29, 2023. So yes, I am excited to show you my progress. Number one, most expensive product is my El Maquillage, and y'all know I love this foundation. I will be repurchasing this. As you can see, it is empty. Let me show you. Look, I have it upside down because as you can see, you see this, all of this, there is no way to mark anything. It is clearly see-through. I am actually digging through this. This is what I'm using. If you look, you can see it is all empty. I am scraping the sides to actually get anything off. So El Maquillage is done. Love it. It will be another purchase for me. Now the Brilliance, a product that is brilliant. El Maquillage Corrector again. This little thing was so brilliant. You take it, you can put it anywhere you want, have discoloration, and when you put your foundation or your powder foundation or your liquid foundation, it just smooths everything out. Very easy to use. It is now done. Nothing. Done. 6 months and it is done. Yes, yes, yes to me. Yeah. Okay, a product I have a lot of, which it was the lipstick that was done the last time. That was done, and then I switched. I added a new product, and the new product that I added was the Becca translucent setting powder, and it is done. Done. Finish. Used it all up. Love it. And then another product I regret buying. No good news on that one. No good news. This one is still full, but I'm not giving up on it. I am going to repurpose it and use it. I am not giving up on it. So this is the only thing so far that is still there. But you'll see it again. I'm gonna repurpose it and redo it in the next 6 months, okay? And we will see progress. I promise it will work. It will work because when I use it, it does work. It's just that I don't get to reach for it. So that's that. And then another product, it was a product I can use up in a breeze. And I pick the Elf Party Primer. That's the hydrating one, because the first thing I could use up in a breeze was this Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, and there was a small piece, if you remember in the beginning, there was a small piece of lip liner. So those are all done. So I added the Elf Party Primer, and I am almost there. If you look, you will see the sides. This is what I'm scraping off now. So this is the 6 months for the Wakanda Panning Project, and we will be coming up with our new next set of stuff we will be using for the next Wakanda. I have not picked out my product yet. I will soon, and in the next Wakanda in July, panning project, you will see all the new stuff that I pick. I'm excited to go through my products to see what I want to use up, because this is now done, right? This is now complete and it's finished, and I am done with these. This is now complete and finished, and I am done with this Wakanda panning project. These are the products that I used up for the last 6 months. So out of the stuff that I used in the last 6 months, only the Becca was not finished. Everything else, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I used up 6 products. Yeah, to me. Thank you all again for watching. Please enjoy life. It is short. And when I tell you it is short, it is no joke. Enjoy it. Enjoy your family. Have fun. Be well. And I will see you in the next video. Always remember you are first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. And I am signing off saying bye. Yay. I love to have fun. Have fun. And it is clearly seafood. I mean, my hand maybe